Introducing Balco's seismic perimeter moat isolation joints. Seismic and base-isolated construction requires large structural separations between building elements. During an earthquake, this allows structures to shift independently along the X perpendicular axis, the Y longitudinal axis, and the Z vertical axis, preventing contact with surrounding construction. Our pan-designed perimeter moat joint is designed to receive concrete infill, concealing the moat and its cover system, making it appear as a standard perimeter sidewalk or concrete apron. During X-axis movement away from the joint, the pan simply slides along the base. When X-axis movement occurs towards the joint, the pan hinges upward and slides up and over the adjacent concrete, accommodating the out-of-plane movement. During longitudinal Y-axis movement, the system slides to accommodate. And when movement occurs vertically, the pan hinges upward and downward. At intersection points, like exterior corners, seismic hinges function together to absorb and adapt the complex, combined movements that occur during an earthquake. Visit balcousa.com for more information.